Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are in real estate and looking for a way to manage leads, automate flow ups, and close more deals, then GoHighLevel CRM is the tool you need. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to set up and use GoHighLevel CRM specifically for real estate. So to maximize your efficiency and grow your business. By the end of this video, you will learn how to set up your GoHighLevel account, how to capture and organize leads, how to automate follow-ups, and how to manage your real estate pipeline. And of course, tips to maximize the conversions. So before we dive in, let's quickly go over what GoHighLevel CRM is and why it is great for real estate professionals. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing automation and CRM platform that helps you capture leads, nurture them, and close deal more efficiently. So why real estate agents love GoHighLevel? So it lead capture forms and landing pages, automated follow-ups via SMS, email, and calls, sales pipeline, tracking for buyers and sellers, and an integrated appointment scheduling, client database, and task automation. Let's go step by step on GoHighLevel account for real estate. So sign up and log in. So go to GoHighLevel's website and then sign up for an account. Here, you need to choose a pricing plan that fits your needs. Start with the free trial if it is available. So disclaimer guys, you can start a free trial if there is available. And once registered, you can now log in to access your dashboard. So here guys, I cannot proceed to the next step, but I will show some tutorial on this. So on proceeding to your GoHighLevel, you need to avail a plan. So once you are on that, you just need to customize your CRM for real estate. So go there and then click on settings, business info, and enter your real estate business details. So of course guys, you need to upload your company logo and set up your branding. So set up your email and phone number for communication. So integrate your lead sources, connect your website, Facebook ads, Google ads, or Zillow lead forms. Set up automation to capture leads directly into GoHighLevel. So here guys, you'll be able to see here. And the next part guys is use forms and surveys for lead qualification. You can go to forms, create new form, add fields like budget, preferred location, and then the property type. So there you can embed this form on your website and send it directly to leads. So here guys, in customizing your CRM for real estate and then integrate your lead sources, let's move on importing existing contacts. So if you have a list of leads, click contacts and import contacts. Upload a CSV file with client details like name, email, phone number, and property preferences. And now that your CRM is set up, let's talk about how to capture and organize leads efficiently. So here guys, you need to create a high converting website, which is the new funnel. Choose a real estate template or create one from scratch. Here you can add a lead capture form with name, email, and then the property interest. So publish and share the landing page link on your website, and then of course the ads. So next part guys is of course the most important part, is setting up a lead pipeline. Here you just need to click opportunities and then proceed to creating a new pipeline. Tap on that one Then add stage like new lead, follow-up, property viewing, or a closed deal. And then move leads through the pipeline as they progress. So here guys, one of the best features of GoHighLevel is the automation. So here's how to automate your lead follow-ups. Of course guys, first thing you need to do here is to set up an automated follow-up campaign. Go to automation, create workflow. Add triggers like new lead captured or property inquiry received. Set automated actions such as a send a welcome email and available listing, or schedule an automated SMS follow-up. Assign a task to call the lead, and create drip email and SMS sequences. So here you need to set up a sequence of emails introducing your services, market updates, and new listings. And when it comes to SMS, schedule SMS reminders for property viewings. The next part guys is to integrate with a dialer for calls. So here, you can use the built-in call feature to make and log calls directly from the CRM. And then right after that one, you just need to set reminders for follow-ups with hot leads. Now let's go over how to manage your real estate deals inside the GoHighLevel. Here guys, you just need to track leads and deals in the pipeline. You can use the opportunities tab to see where each lead is in the buying process. And of course, update lead status as they move from interest to closing. And then the next part is scheduling appointment and the viewings. You can use the calendar feature to book property viewings, send automatic appointment reminders to reduce no-shows, and then manage transaction and contracts. So here you can store contacts and important documents inside the CRM, automate contract follow-ups, and then the reminders. So here guys, pro tips guys is you can follow up within 5 minutes, use video message, automate client nurturing, sync with Google Calendar, and then leverage AI chatbots. So here, you can increase conversation by responding quickly, personalize outreach with recorded video introduction, set up long-term email and SMS sequences for past clients, stay organized with sync appointments, automate responses for common inquiries. And that's how you use GoHighLevel CRM for real estate. This tool helps you capture, nurture, and close more deals with automation. And if you found this tutorial helpful guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more real estate tech tips. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Happy selling! Bye!